Wanna know how to change your controls in Snake.io? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Snake.io application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And now once you have done that, here on the top left side, you should be seeing the gear icon. This is your settings icon. So you can just simply select it, and now once you start the settings icon, here a new window should pop up, and once you're there, on top you should be seeing controls. Once you have selected controls, here you should be seeing various options. Right here you should see various controls. You can just simply change it to move from left to right, dynamic to fixed, from arrows and more. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.